My favorite dinosaur shoes are getting super tight, but I still love them so much.
Leo, your toes are totally bent inside there. You really need bigger shoes today. Sweetie, let Mom check your feet before we leave for our big trip to the zoo.
No, Mommy! My T-Rex sneakers make me run faster than anyone else!
We have a lot of walking to do today, buddy, so comfortable feet are very important.
The weather is perfect today, so let us head to the city zoo right now.
Hop in, Leo. The playful otters and giant giraffes are waiting for us.
My feet feel a little bit warm and squishy, but I will be okay.
We are almost at the zoo entrance, so get ready for a fun family adventure.
Look at that giant entrance sign. The zoo is finally right in front of us.
4 tickets for the Parker family, please. We are excited for a full day walk.
Yay! Let us go see the scary lions and the big elephants first.
Watch me run super fast like a wild raptor down this long path. Ouch! My front toes are pressing really hard against the front of my shoe. Why are you walking so slowly, Leo? Usually you run way ahead of us. I am fine, Sophie. I am just walking slowly to look at the trees.
Look at those tall pink flamingos standing gracefully on just one thin leg.
Flamingos have very long feet, Leo. How are your feet holding up right now?
My feet feel a tiny bit sore, Dad, but I can keep going.
Next stop is the Monkey Tree House. Let us march together like strong soldiers.
Look how fast those little monkeys jump around without wearing any shoes at all. I do not think I can take another single step right now.
Ow, ow, ow. My feet hurt so badly. I cannot walk anymore.
Oh, dear Leo, what is wrong? Let Mom and Dad help you right now.
Let me take this tight sneaker off your foot so you can feel better.
Look at those red marks on your toes, Leo. Your shoes are way too small.
I am sorry, Mommy. I knew they were tight, but I loved them so much.
Do not worry, little buddy. I will carry you on my shoulders for now.
Look, there is a children's shoe store right outside the main zoo plaza.
Perfect! Let us take a short walk over to get Leo proper fitting shoes.
Here is the store. They have plenty of fun and comfortable shoes for kids.
Welcome to Happy Steps. How can I help your family today, little fellow? Hello there. I am Mrs. Grace, and I specialize in fitting growing feet perfectly.
My feet hurt a lot because my old dinosaur shoes got too tiny.
That happens all the time. Children grow so fast, and feet change shape quickly. Let us measure length and width carefully to find your exact correct shoe size. Wow, look at that! You have grown 2 whole sizes since your last pair. 2 whole sizes? No wonder his poor little toes were squished so tightly inside. When your feet grow, tight shoes compress your bones and cause big ouchies.
I understand now. Wearing small shoes stops my feet from growing healthy and strong.
Now comes the fun part. Let us find a super comfortable new pair for you.
Look what I found. Brand new green dinosaur shoes with soft padding inside.
Whoa! They have sharp T-Rex teeth on the side and green scales too.
Push your heel back, wiggle your toes, and tell me how that feels inside. Perfect. There is a thumb width of space here so your toes can breathe easily.
Wow! My feet feel like they are floating on soft clouds right now. Look at me jump! Nothing presses against my toes when I stomp my feet.
These shoes fit perfectly, Mrs. Grace. We will definitely take this pair today.
Here are your trusty old shoes in a bag to keep as a nice memory.
Thank you for all the fun runs, old shoes. You did a great job.
Hooray! Now we can explore the zoo without any foot pain.
My new green shoes make me feel super fast and totally pain-free. Look how tall the giraffes are. They have giant legs and very big feet. Here you go, Mr. Giraffe. Eat this yummy leaf while I stand tall. You are walking so fast now, Leo. Proper fitting shoes really make a difference.
The big lion is resting its paws in the warm sun after lunch.
Who wants to go inside the cool reptile house to see giant tortoises next?
Look at that giant tortoise. It walks very slowly, but its feet are tough. Even tortoises need healthy feet to carry their heavy shells around all day.
That was so awesome. My new sneakers feel super bouncy on the hard ground. Time for a healthy snack break on this shaded bench under the big tree.
Munching apples with comfortable feet is the best feeling in the whole world. I am really glad we stopped at the store so your feet feel happy.
Look at the fountain spray. Let us run around the edge of the water.
I can run, leap, and turn without feeling any ouchies at all now.
Seeing him run happily again reminds me how vital correct shoe sizing really is.
The bright parrots are flying overhead. Look at their small, sharp claws land.
Birds have special feet for gripping branches, just like we have feet for walking.
The sun is starting to set softly, painting the sky in warm orange colors.
We walked thousands of steps today, Leo. How do your feet feel right now?
They feel great. My feet feel totally energetic and ready to walk 5 more miles tomorrow.
What a wonderful family day at the zoo. We saw every single animal today. Put your souvenir bag here, Leo. You did a fantastic job walking all day.
I am going to keep my old shoes on my bedroom shelf as a cool trophy.
Everyone buckle up for a safe drive home after our big walking adventure.
I learned today that growing bigger means taking good care of our changing bodies. When my feet grow bigger again, I will tell Mom right away next time.
Wearing the right size keeps us healthy, comfortable, and ready to explore the world. Remember.
Goodbye, old dinosaur shoes. Thank you for all the memories when I was tiny. Hello, new green sneakers. You are ready for tomorrow's next big adventure.
Wearing the right size keeps us healthy, comfortable, and ready to explore the world.
Remember, friends, always wear shoes that fit your growing feet just right.
Healthy feet make happy days. Goodbye, everyone. See you on our next fun adventure.